Well, hey guys, welcome to Meziadin Junction or Meziadin Lake Provincial Park. I may be hacking Meziadin, but anyway, we have found ourselves here. This is the junction where you would veer off the Cassiar and go visit Hyder and Stewart, B.C. and Hyder, Alaska. We decided to park the rig here because it is 40 miles into Stewart. We didn't want to take the rig over the border, which we could have stayed in Stewart, but that's 80 extra miles of gas that we really didn't need to consume, especially considering we have the truck with us. So we are going to pay for 2 nights here, and tomorrow we're going to drive into Stewart and Hyder and get Hyderized. But we got here just after noon, so we had the whole day to kill. And Gary got the kayak out and blown up, and so he's out on the lake somewhere. This lake is huge. I have a feeling I saw him headed off that direction earlier, so maybe he's around the island. But I'll show you the campground. Kind of cool. So all the sites over there have electric. We're on a dry site just because we don't need electric. It's $20 for dry, $25 for electric. And we have our own little beach. As you can see, a lot of people have kayaks, a couple of boats, and even a big boat. Right over there. It's kind of raining and sun shining right now. Can't make up its mind. But this is our site. We're in site number 31. And can't go wrong. Can't go wrong at all. The drive today was gorgeous. We ended up last night at a pull-out, not even a pull-out, a Forest Service road. And we were back about maybe a quarter mile. And we actually saw a Royal Mounted Canadian Police, a Mountie, drive by on the forest road we were on. And he left us be, so where we parked last night was all good. I'll put coordinates down below. Then to drive down here, it took us a little over 2 hours. It was a nice drive. The leaves down here are just starting to turn. So today we got out of the yellow and the golds, and we're back into green trees. But you can tell these trees are very close to turning. But who knows? We just might make it home for a little bit of summer. But yeah, I just thought I'd share our gorgeous campsite.
As always, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up down below. Leave us a comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We thank you for watching.
Until next time, Pow Hana.